Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Phillips espresso machine. It comes to us with an error when it's forthing. So when I test the machine, I find out like the machine needs a tune-up. A lot of gaskets in there are messed up, and I found like this valve behind the brew unit was leaking. So I just replaced it and make the tune-up. And when I tested again, I found like the other it was like doing some another error in the same system. So I test more, then I figure out this solenoid valve broken. So I just replace it. Then the machine start like okay working and not working and not. Then I noticed like the solenoid also not receiving the right power from the board. So I did replace the board, and I face an issue here when I was trying to unplug the cable. It get messed up. It's this the whole thing. It come out. It was same like that here, but this is not. It's built in, and the cable is welded here. So, and I also another time when I was trying, the cable itself comes out from here because I didn't expect it's like that. All the cables you can unplug them, except that it is like this and there is cap on it. So I did replace it one more time, so it was like two times and wasted two boards. But finally the machine works perfect after I figured out it was like both the solenoid and the board who's sending the power to the solenoid was not sending the right power to there, or sometimes yes, sometimes no, whatever. So the machine works perfect now. So let's go ahead and test it and make a cappuccino cup. I don't have milk now, so I just like put rinsing water here. It's like it's gonna do the same, and in the same time it's gonna do another cleaning cycle for the system. So let's go ahead and did it. It was with the customer doing the first cup and the second cup not, but here we're gonna do it 2-3 times as much as we can. It takes time till it's heating up and brewing. There you go. This is perfect. So let's do another one. Okay. This is perfect. Actually, this machine took a lot of long time and energy from me. I don't mind to test it again. I want to do the third time because that was the error, but it was like only the first cup. Then the second cup was like messed up, so I don't mind to do it like for the third time. Make sure it works. Actually, I did before the video, but it's a good chance since it's here. Perfect. So this is the third cup of cappuccino. Actually, this is not gonna be cappuccino. This is just rinsing water, but it's foaming. That's what I mean. That's perfect. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.